Today I'm going to show you how to add tags to a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a crucial step for making your PDFs accessible to screen readers and ensuring they meet accessibility standards. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to your recent files and select the PDF document you want to add tags to. This will open your file in the main workspace, ready for editing. Now look towards the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. Click on the menu option to access the full range of features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This menu is your gateway to all the advanced tools we'll need for this task. From the menu that appears, click on View. This will open a submenu with various display options. Here you want to select Show/Hide. This option controls which panels and toolbars are visible in your workspace, giving you access to specialized features. Next, click on Side Panels from the options presented. This reveals another set of choices that let you customize your sidebar from these options. Select Accessibility Tags. This panel is specifically designed for managing the tag structure of your PDF, which is essential for document accessibility. With the Accessibility Tags panel now visible on your screen, shift your attention to the upper right area of this panel. You'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon, which represents additional options. Click on this icon and from the menu that appears, select Auto Tag Document. This powerful feature automatically analyzes your PDF and applies appropriate tags to headings, paragraphs, lists, and other elements. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking you to verify that you want to proceed with auto tagging. Go ahead and click Confirm. Adobe Acrobat will now process your document, which may take a moment depending on the size and complexity of your PDF. The software is intelligently identifying different content types and assigning the correct tags to ensure proper structure. Once the auto tagging process is complete, you'll see the tag structure populated in the Accessibility Tags panel. This shows you the hierarchy of your document's content. Now it's important to save these changes. In the upper right corner of your screen, click the Save button to preserve all the tags you've just added to your document. And there you have it. You've successfully added tags to your PDF document, making it more accessible and structured. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.